Adaptivities every day. Adaptivities, adapt and play. You can play with a friend, so much fun till the end. So come, let's start today. Adaptivities, adaptivities, adaptivities.
Welcome back to Adaptivities. Today's Adaptivities game is a creative game I like to call Cardinoes because it's kind of like playing dominoes but with cards. To play this game, you want to open the box of cards that should be in your subscription box. ABE box, Adaptivities game box of engagement. You want to remove the joker cards. We won't use those. The object of the game is to get 4 of the same card in a row. For instance, 4 kings. The cards can go this way in a row, or it can go this way in a row. The first person to get 4 cards in a row wins. While playing the game, a player can have 2 cards and see a player is getting close to getting his first card and can block it by simply turning the card the other way. In order to block the card, it has to have the same suit, like so. To start the game off, you want to shuffle the cards 2 to 3 times, and then each player gets 5 cards. Danielle is here to play with me. She will take her cards in her hand and I will play mine face up so you can see how the game is going. The rest of the cards are placed face down, and this will be the draw pile. To start the game, the first player must draw 1 card, pick a card to put down, and then the next player goes. Okay. Here are my cards. So I must pick up a card. I don't have a jack, but I do have the same suit, so I can do a queen. Again, the object of the game is to get 4 cards of the same in a row. Okay, Danielle has 2 jacks and she only needs 2 more to win. So I would like to try to block her by simply adding the same suit, which is a 5 diamond. So now she can't get it as fast, but she could come on this side if she has another jack. Okay, Danielle has blocked my queen that I was trying to get. However, I do have a king in my hand. I pick a card up first and I put a card down. So I need to get 2 more kings to win. Okay. So I'm going to pick up. Okay, so I don't have a king or an 8 or a 5, so I'm going to start a new row, and I'm going to do, and the way to start a new row is to match the suit. So I have a heart here, a club here, and a diamond here, and I'm going to use my diamond, actually. And because I'm going to use a 10, because I have 2 more 10s, so I can probably get 4 10s. I'm going to move the draw pile over a little bit, gives more space. I'm going to pick up first. And I do have a 2, so I'm going to try to get 2 more 2s. Danielle's picking up. Oh, Danielle, there's 3 kings. She's trying to get 4 kings. Okay, I'm going to pick up. I have an ace, so I am going to, I'm going to go for the 10s. So here's my 10. Oh, Danielle has 2 5s. Okay, I'm going to pick up from the draw pile. I have a queen, but I can't do anything with that. Oh, I'm going to use my 10. I need one more 10 to win. Okay, 3. So Danielle has blocked the 2s by using the same suit. A 9. I do have a 3, so I'm going to add my 3 here. Okay, Danielle has an 8 there. 7. I don't have a 7. So I'm going to start a new row. I can put this on the end because it has the same suit. I'm going to start 7s. Uh-oh. Danielle has 3 8s. She just needs 1 8 to win. Okay. I have a 4. I'm going to, let's see. I'm going to start a new one. I can put this here because it's the same suit. But I turn it this way because it's not a 7. Oh, Danielle's added a 4 to that one. And I'm going to add a 4. There. Needs one more 4 to win. Okay, Danielle has a 7 there. Let's see. So she can put this here because it's the same number. Queen. I'm going to do a 9 here. I can do that because it's the same suit, but it's a different number, so I have to turn the card this way. Okay, Danielle's another 7. Put that there, so it's 3 7s in a row. Oh, I have a 3, so I'm going to go here. It's 3 in a row. Danielle has won because she has 1, 2, 3, 4 cards in a row. Danielle, you're the winner of Cardinoes. Woo! And that's how you play Cardinoes. Hope you enjoyed that game, and we'll see you next week. Tune in next week for a brand new episode of Fun Friday. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you then. Bye.